Welcome back to our channel Financeable everybody, where we post finance related videos. And in today's video, I'll show you guys how you guys can log in into your Ulta Credit Card Pay account. And it's pretty simple, so follow the steps. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel Financeable, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, you want to search for Ulta Credit Card Pay just like this. Once you search for it, the first option over here where it says Ultimate Rewards at Credit Card Home Commodity, you want to click on it. Once you click on it, it'll take us to the official website of Ulta Card. Now once you're in the official website of Ulta Card over here, you can see the sign in button. You want to click on it. Now if you don't have an account, you can click on register now to do that. But since we already have, we're going to click on where it says username and enter the username of our account, and where it says password, enter the password of your account, and then click on sign in, and you should be able to log in into your Ulta Credit Card Pay account. It's that simple. And if you forgot your username or password, you can click on it to recover them as well. So that's it for today's video. If you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel Financeable. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.